Our welding shop is one of the workplaces that receives excellent reviews from our customers. Most of the products manufactured by ELITEX contain welded parts. We strive to maintain the highest standards in our welds and in subsequent processing. As well as the skill and years of experience of our trained welders, we also utilize modern welding machines from the traditional Danish producer Megatronic. We weld using MIG, MAG and TIG methods and are also able to process aluminium and its alloys. We will show you that ELITEX in Gdynia is the best in welding. New tasks are a challenge and our motivation. We await your assignment. elitex.cz